coffee.
Hi guys, welcome to a what I eat in a week video. If you watched my previous vlogs, then you know that my in-laws are visiting from Vietnam, and between my mother-in-law and my husband, they're both really good cooks. So I thought this would be a fun video to make. But first, we need to go grocery shopping. So let's go. And because we're gonna be making Asian recipes, we are at H Mart. Grocery shopping is you eat out, so we are going to get some food now. Hi guys, sorry I have not spoken to you at all today. It's been a hectic morning, so yeah. But anyways, it is now snack time, and for my snack today, I'm going to be eating an apple. Well, once it's cut up, are they called apples? Or is it still an apple? An apple cut up with this. What is the translation?
Dipping sauce with medium spiciness.
Oh, so it says the ingredients. The ingredients say right there. I'm gonna try to guess, okay? Salt, chili, calamansi, sugar, and I don't know what that one is.
So it's salt, fresh chili, garlic,
Oh, garlic.
calamansi, and sugar.
Wow, I got,
You got
4 out of 5 correct. But we got the sauce in this container here, and then you take an apple, you dip it like so. Okay, there we go. They say medium spicy, but it's actually really spicy. But it's so good. I'm gonna eat this, do a little workout, and we're gonna come back and Hui is gonna cook up some pho. For today's recipe, we are using our handy dandy Instant Pot. Another important ingredient, link it in our Amazon.
And that's it. Everything go into the pot. We're gonna close it. We're gonna cook on high pressure for 8 minutes and leave it on for 5 minutes with no pressure release.
I don't think I told you what kind of pho we're making, but we are making chicken pho, and I'll leave the link to the recipe in the description box.
Alright, the timer just went off and I just released the pressure.
It's good.
Smell amazing. Now we are throwing away all the stuff that we originally put in, like the onion and the daikon radish and the ginger. And then we immediately take the chicken out and transfer it to an ice bath. After we take the chicken out, we are going to add about 7 cups of water to the pot and bring it to a boil. Some chicken.
All right, time to try. So good. Dipping sauce over here.
We should have mixed the broth.
It's been 20 minutes and we have 1, 2. We have 2. Okay, we're making better progress now. We have 8 total.
Yep.
Was it hectic?
It was quite hectic.
Yeah.
It was annoying. But we are in a better place now.
Also ignore the mess. This is what it takes, I guess, to make this. Look, she's crazy. She's using her hands. Hot hands. Oh, professional. Welcome to our Bangkok mukbang. It looks pretty good. It looks legit.
How is it?
That's
Good?
good. I need some more fish sauce though.
Ngon mà. Yeah. But I need more fish sauce too.
No, give me a spoon on my. Yeah.
Is that a good bite? Ngon mà.
I'm gonna eat. See you guys later. For dinner tonight, we are making budejjigae, which is not Vietnamese food, but we need something quick and easy, so let's get to cooking. I actually made the sauce for it off camera already, so I will list the ingredients right over here. This is the secret ingredient to make it have that depth of flavor. And you just use your feeling when you add it in. Definitely more than that.
I think it's about 2 tablespoons.
I think it's more. Finishing touches, add some cheese. This is the final product. It looks so good. I'm hungry. Let's eat. cheesy rice cake. Where did it go? Mmm. And she is the cheese. Oh yeah, and no kimchi. Cheers.
Yes, good morning.